Any final comments you want to share with the audience?
Yeah, I mean, I think this is an exciting time we live in. I think the world is waking up to the future of industrial work being different. There's a revolution going on, but the way we look about this is as an evolution, meaning people will try this solution at their own pace, but once they start to try it, the adoption will be very fast. But things change slowly, things change fast. I'm sat here with a pen, people still write, but I can guarantee you that in a number of years, whether it's 1 year, 5 years, or 10 years, no one will be executing work without some level of modern digital tool, because the value is so intrinsic and the demographic shift. So what I say to everyone is you've got to get on the bus, because the bus is leaving and it may pick up speed. But it's an exciting time, and this is the first set of applications that I've worked with in my career where I know the value is there. It's really about get going, and that's really my final point.
Great.